I was delighted to find these Enlightened Keto Ice Cream pints in the store the other day. Are they any good? Let's find out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about low carb, delicious and nutritious food, travel, and health for our keto-friendly lifestyle. Please like and subscribe and I'll bring you new videos every week. So I was excited to find ice cream that's keto-friendly, that has 1 gram of net carbs, and a personal favorite flavor of mine, which is cookie dough. Here it's a caramel chocolate cookie dough. So a half cup serving has 180 calories, 16 grams of fat, 13 total grams of carbs, 3 from fiber, and 9 from sugar alcohols. Now the main sweetener here is erythritol, but also some monk fruit and stevia extract is used. Let's open it up and take a look. Interesting. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, I don't know if I can do that with ice cream, but we'll see. All right, peeling back, fun fact. Not sure if that makes me feel good, but it's interesting nonetheless. So the first thing I notice is there's a nice swirl of, looks like a vanilla and maybe a chocolate ice cream. And if you scoop it, it does kind of come up in chunks. And then I could have left it rest a little longer to let it melt a little, but it's actually quite creamy. The consistency is a little bit like a Cool Whip. If you think of a stiffer Cool Whip that's quite airy, and that allows it to melt in your mouth quite nicely. The flavors are good, very sweet, very tough to tell it's an artificial sweetener used. But you can see that the ice cream, when scooping, kind of comes off in these chunkier pieces, a little bit like a icier ice cream. The other nice thing is because this is a cookie dough, there are nice chunks of cookie dough in here, which is something traditionally difficult to find for a keto ice cream. Here I'll give you a shot of what that cookie dough looks like without the ice cream covering it. And this has the textures of a nice cookie dough. Overall, a very enjoyable experience for ice cream. It does make a nice replacement for regular ice cream, although the texture is a little bit more on the Cool Whip side, as you would imagine with something that is keto friendly. All right, that's enough for now. Let's pack it up and move on to the next one. So here I have the butter pecan flavor. Now this might be seen as a older and more traditional ice cream flavor, but with a ketogenic lifestyle, the pecans are a great addition. So why not have it in ice cream? So here it's 200 calories per half cup serving, 18 grams of fat, and only 10 grams of total carbs, 2 from fiber, and 7 grams from sugar alcohols, totaling 1 gram of net carbs per serving. And again, pretty simple ingredients of cream, water, and egg yolks, and the sweeteners of erythritol, monk fruit, and stevia. All right, we'll open this one up and take a look. So now this one has been sitting out for about 5 minutes, so I guess it's worth the wait. And here we have another feel-good fact. Okay, interesting again. And now the ice cream is a nice vanilla consistency, and you can see the specks of pecans inside. You can see that the consistency is a little closer to ice cream. It's still that airy kind of Cool Whip type texture, but because it has been sitting out for a little longer, a little of that melted ice cream on the edges gives it a closer texture to regular ice cream. Now this is packed with vanilla flavor, as you would expect in a vanilla ice cream, and those bits of pecan definitely do stand out. It's quite good. Very buttery, actually. Here you can see the chunks of pecans inside, and here's a pretty large piece. It's nice to have whole chopped pieces of pecans. I will say that the smoothness is there. If you do let it sit in your mouth for a little bit, it does tend to melt. Not in the same creaminess as regular ice cream, but again, more like a Cool Whip. Now I think in both the cookie dough and the butter pecan, those extra bits of whether cookie dough or pecans does help trick the brain to think that, hey, there's a secondary texture in here that you would expect. So it takes your mind off the sort of texture of the melting of ice cream that you're so used to. But overall, a very nice substitute for regular ice cream. I think the taste is there. The texture is close, but again, closer to a Cool Whip. But letting it melt for a little bit does help the texture. Quite good. Now we'll save the rest for another day. It's great to see more and more keto-friendly options for ice cream. And this Enlightened brand at 1 gram of net carbs per serving makes one of those great options. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.